Welcome back to Primetime News. Thanks for staying with us. It appears a legal battle could be looming between a developer and the local authorities in Clarendon. The residents have blamed the recent flooding on the development, and as you'll hear in this report, Mayor of Maypen, Winston Mirage, is talking tough.
The streets of Four Paths, Clarendon, Friday could have easily been mistaken for a river. Cars were washed away, but thankfully no lives were lost. It's not the first time the area has been flooded, but some residents we spoke with blamed much of Friday's flooding on this new development along Lawson Boulevard in Four Paths.
Because of the blockage, the water could not run off as quick as it would normally run off, and because of that, water back up and came here and caused a lot of damage.
All because of a selfish developer who got several warnings not to block the drain.
We put the issue to Chairman of the Clarendon Municipal Corporation, Winston Mirage.
So it contributed to a lot of the flooding that took place in the Four Paths community.
Last week's flooding also caused damage to roads in the parish. Residents question whether the National Works Agency will take an interest in clearing the blocked drains. Stephen Shaw is Communications Manager at the NWA.
I'm sure that between ourselves, as a community entity, the local authority that will be granting the approval along with NEPA, I'm sure that among these organizations, that development will not get permission, because one of the things that we certainly look at as the NWA is where it is that stormwater flows.
But while residents fume over the damage caused by the flooding, they want the matter to be addressed urgently.
I just only hope members of the parish council is taking note of this and something will be done about it.
Chairman of the Municipal Corporation, Winston Mirage, is talking tough.
I've given instructions to my technical team to go there during the course of this weekend into next week and have it removed. We're not waiting on him to move it.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.